Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Casio MRW 200H series. This is the model with the day-date complication, meaning you can set the day of the week and the day of the month. Now, something really important to know on this particular model is that you have two languages when it comes to the day of the week. So we have English and we also have Spanish. In this case, as you can see on the dial, miércoles. So this means that you can choose between English and Spanish when you actually set the date. Now, the second very important thing is that when we want to set the time and date, we are first going to set the date, and we are going to set the date 1 day prior to our actual end goal. So let's say I want to make it the 5th and Friday. I'm going to make it the 4th and Thursday, and then I'm going to go with the watch hands manually past 12 o'clock until my date changes to my desired date, and I will know that I am on the right date, and it is going to be AM. If I want to make it PM, I'm going to go past 12 once, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, the first thing that we want to do is to pull the crown to the first position. Here, if I rotate the watch crown in one direction, I will be able to set the day of the week. Once again, as I mentioned, if I want to have the English version of the date, I'm going to leave it at Thursday, and it is going to automatically jump the second language, and it is going to show me then Friday. And if I rotate in the opposite direction, I'm going to change the day of the month. Now, as I mentioned, my end goal is to make it the 5th and Friday, and I'm going to leave it at Thursday the 4th. Now I'm going to pull the crown to the last position where I can actually set the time. You can see that this movement has a hacking because the seconds hand has stopped. And now I'm going to go with the watch hands manually past 12 o'clock until the date changes. It did not change. This means that we were AM, and now you can see that the date is going to change. Now, the first thing you are going to see that it is going to change the date to the second language, and then when we go past 5 o'clock, it is going to fully change it to the desired language, as you can see, Friday. And now, if I leave it at 6, I'm going to know that I am on the 5th. It is Friday, and it is 6 a.m., so 6 in the morning. If I want to make it 6 p.m., I'm going to go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock. As you can see, nothing changed, so the date remained the same, and I'm going to make it 6. So this time it is going to be 6 p.m., so 6 in the afternoon. Now, once everything is done, so once you have correctly set the time and date, all you need to do is to push the crown back in, and you are done. You have correctly set the time and date on your Casio MRW 200H series. As I mentioned, this tutorial is going to work for a bunch of other watch brands out there, especially Japanese watch brands that feature the day-date complication and two languages such as Seiko and Citizen. So this, I believe, is going to be very useful. In case you found it useful, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel. If you have this model, if you found this video useful, I really want to hear you guys out. If you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And also, guys, check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.